Mark 16:17 through 18. And these miracle signs will accompany those who believe. They will drive out demons in the power of my name. They will speak in tongues. They will be supernaturally protected from snakes and from drinking anything poisonous. And they will lay hands on the sick and heal them. So I had an experience with the poisonous part. I was camping with my parents, and there were all these bushes that had these purple, blue berries on them. And there were bushes with berries and trees with berries. And we found a ranger and we asked him, "Are the berries edible?" And he said, "Yes." So my dad and I were picking berries by the handful. I believe it was from the trees, and I was eating them like by the handful. And then we're like, maybe we should ask another ranger just to be sure. So we asked another ranger if the berries are edible. And he said, well, the berries on the bushes are edible, but not the berries in the trees. And I was like, oh, shoot. Like, those are the ones that I was eating. And he was like, oh, man, you're going to have a terrible night tonight. You are going to be, like, throwing up. Like, stuff is going to be coming out both ends, and you are going to be in so much pain, you're going to want to die. And I was like, oh, man. So my mom and I prayed over me and just asked God to remove all the poison. And I was totally fine. No pain, nothing coming out either end. And the next morning we went to that ranger and we brought some of the berries with us and asked him, like, these are the berries that I was eating and I was totally fine last night. And he confirmed, yes, that is a miracle. So I feel like I have experienced Mark 16:18, where those who believe will be supernaturally protected from drinking anything poisonous, eating anything poisonous. So that's my testimony of eating poisonous berries and God miraculously taking the poison out of me. So I would just encourage us to have faith and to ask God for his miracles to happen in our lives, because he is still alive and active and working miracles today. So if you appreciate this video, my name is Robin. This is Deeply Connecting, where we are learning to deeply connect with God and others. Please subscribe and like and share with friends, and comment below if you have experienced anything similar in any way.